they got the Oreos on it, because we all know Oreos are vegan.
Oreos are vegan?
Yes, they are. That's why being vegan doesn't make you skinny.
This is Jake.
Jake.
We're just people watching right now. It's my birthday party.
It's my birthday, I can cry. Come on.
If every party could be as good vibes as your birthday party, like,
What would it be like?
wouldn't you, like, if every, you know how people are so nice to you on your birthday? Like, if you could have those good vibes every
look at a dolphin
day.
right there. There's a
But
dolphin
like,
right there.
imagine.
Look at the dolphin.
Where? I don't
Right
see
there
them.
in the wave. Watch, you'll see him.
That's
on
a
the wave.
person.
It's a dolphin. Look, you see him right there? Watch,
Where?
watch him come up. Right there, right there. Boom, boom, boom. Right there, right next to that guy. Look it. You see all the school dolphins right there?
Oh my gosh.
Watch, you'll see it. Watch, they'll come in the waves too. They're in the waves. They're riding the waves right now. Watch. So they'll come in. Look right there, right next to that guy that's surfing. He's paddling next to him.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I've never seen dolphins before. How's it going?
Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you. So pretty. Thank you.